Hey everyone, if you want to use breakout rooms in Google Meet in 2026, like splitting a big meeting into smaller group discussions, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how it works. First, open Google Meet and make sure you are the meeting host. Only the host can create and control breakout rooms. Next, click the Activities icon at the bottom of the screen. This is where breakout room settings are located. Now, select Breakout Rooms and choose how many rooms you want. Google Meet will automatically divide participants for you. After that, you can manually assign participants by dragging and dropping them into different rooms. This helps organize groups more effectively. Next, click Open Rooms to start the breakout sessions. Participants will automatically move into their assigned rooms. Now, as the host, you can join any breakout room or send announcements to all groups. This helps you manage discussions easily. Finally, click Close Rooms to bring everyone back to the main meeting. All participants will return automatically. So yeah, that's how you use Google Meet Breakout Rooms feature in 2026. Follow each step carefully and you can manage group discussions professionally. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Google Meet tutorials for fast and simple guides. Hey everyone!